Are you prepared to open the door to a world of delicious foods? In today's video, we explore a world of flavor-packed delight that won't raise your blood sugar or carb intake. Prepare to entice your taste buds with the 8 healthiest foods that give remarkable advantages while preventing the absorption of carbs and sugars, ranging from nutrient-dense powerhouses to tasty guilt-free selections. In today's video, we reveal the 8 healthiest foods, all of which have the amazing quality of being devoid of both sugar and carbohydrates. You hear that correctly. These foods, which range from nutrient-rich leafy greens to filling proteins and antioxidant-rich, are set to become your new faves, whether you're trying to maintain a low-carb lifestyle or simply want to make thoughtful dietary choices. Okay, let's start with number 1. Leafy greens are an amazing group of foods that have no carbs or sugar and are emerging as true champions of health and vitality. Think spinach, kale, and lettuce. The vitamins A, C, and T are abundant in these lush beauties. These vegetables improve skin health, boost immunity, and aid in blood coagulation. Their mineral richness, particularly the calcium and magnesium, strengthens bones and muscles. Leafy greens are abounding in dietary fiber, encourage digestion, encourage feelings of fullness to aid with weight management, and cultivate a healthy gut microbiota to improve memory and brain function. The minerals folate, vitamin K, and lutein, which enhance cognitive function and prevent mental decline and lower your risk of heart disease and high blood pressure, are found in leafy greens. Nitrates, which are abundant in leafy greens, help relax blood arteries and enhance blood flow. Additionally, they include potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which can control the electrolyte balance and blood pressure. These greens contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein that serve as shields against oxidative stress and promote eye health. Their abundance in minerals, especially calcium and magnesium, helps to fortify bones and muscles. Dietary fiber is abundant in leafy greens. Promote digestion, encourage feelings of fullness to help you manage your weight, and cultivate balanced gut bacteria to enhance your memory and mental agility. Leafy greens contain the nutrients folate, vitamin K, and lutein, which improve cognitive function, stop mental decline, and reduce your risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. Leafy greens are rich in nitrates, which aid to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. They also include potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which can regulate blood pressure and electrolyte balance. Beta-carotene and lutein, 2 antioxidants included in these greens, act as barriers against oxidative stress and support eye health. As a crucial component of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, eggs are essential for supporting brain function and memory, as well as muscular health, cell regeneration, and overall growth. Eggs boost HDL good cholesterol and transform LDL bad cholesterol from small dense particles to large fluffy ones, which can enhance your cholesterol profile and reduce your risk of heart disease. Additionally, eggs are a great source of vitamins and minerals like selenium, vitamin D, and B12. The immune system and bone health are supported by vitamin D, and selenium functions as an antioxidant to protect cells from damage. Eggs are a great option for those following low-carb diets and trying to control their blood sugar levels because they don't contain any carbohydrates or sugar. 3. Fish, which has high protein content and good fats but no carbohydrates or sugars, is the third option. Many health benefits, including a significant amount of protein, can be obtained from eating fish. Fish is a high-quality protein source that helps with overall body function, brain health, and muscle growth and repair. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish are crucial for brain growth and function. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids may lessen your risk of heart disease and stroke while preventing depression, anxiety, and cognitive loss. Fish is an excellent source of lean protein, which can help reduce triglycerides, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Fish also includes selenium, an antioxidant that supports the health of your immune system and skin by preventing blood vessels from being damaged. Fish is a good source of vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption, immune system health, and strong bones. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants found in seafood like tuna and salmon strengthen vision and lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 4. The fourth, broccoli. With no carbohydrates or sugar, Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse that serves as a powerful demonstration of the advantages of including foods high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in your diet. Broccoli is a multi-purpose high vitamin C cruciferous vegetable that can genuinely improve your health. This vegetable is rich in florets and helps collagen formation, which is essential for healthy skin. The folate in broccoli helps with cell development and repair, while vitamin K helps with blood clotting and bone health, and the fiber helps with weight control and gastrointestinal health. Fiber-rich foods like broccoli can help reduce blood sugar levels, enhance digestion and satiety promotion. Additionally, broccoli may enhance cognition and insulin resistance. Broccoli has a powerful antioxidant that has anti-inflammatory and possible cancer-fighting capabilities. Moreover, the antioxidants in vegetables strengthen the body's defenses against oxidative stress. Including broccoli in your meals can help reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases, including heart disease and some types of cancer. 5. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a delicious addition to your diet because they are vivid and flavorful and contain no carbohydrates or sugar. These vibrant gems are not only beautiful to look at, but they are also loaded with vitamin C and other health-improving qualities that can improve your overall well-being. Bell peppers support collagen development for healthy skin, boost your immune system, and aid in wound healing. Additionally, the fiber in them aids in digestion and fights oxidative stress, which lowers the risk of developing chronic illnesses including heart disease and some malignancies. Cucumbers, which have high water content and no carbs or sugar, are a hydrating and refreshing addition to your diet that also has a variety of health advantages. These fresh, crisp vegetables are more than just common garden fare. With their water-rich nature, they are a powerhouse of nutrition. Cucumbers are a healthy, natural method to stay hydrated, supporting both body and skin health. They are a great option for people watching their intake because they don't contain any carbs or sugars. They have little calories, which helps with weight management and provides a delicious crunch. Cucumbers also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties thanks to the presence of flavonoids and beta-carotene. Their silica content strengthens connective tissues and encourages good skin, which benefits joints. Cucumbers' fiber aids in digestion and maintains a healthy gut. Cucumbers are a great complement to your meals because of their hydrating qualities and lack of carbs and sugar. 7. The 7th point is cauliflower. Cauliflower is a diverse and healthy food option that is free of carbohydrates and sugar and is high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It also happens to be low in calories. The transforming potential of cauliflower is quite astonishing. Plenty with vitamins, cauliflower helps to maintain healthy skin and your immune system. For bone health and blood coagulation, its vitamin K concentration is essential, whilst folate aids in cell growth and repair. The fiber content of veggies fostering digestive health provides a balanced gut and helps with weight management. Microbiome sulforaphane, a strong chemical with anti-inflammatory and possibly anti-cancer properties, is present in cauliflower. Cauliflower's antioxidants work to reduce oxidative stress and promote long-term health. You can lessen your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and some malignancies by include cauliflower in your diet. 8. The 8. With its mild flavor and adaptability, zucchini, a versatile and nutrient-rich vegetable with no carbs or sugar, steals the show as a healthy addition to your diet. Zucchini is full of vitamins and minerals, especially potassium and vitamin C, which can improve your general health. Zucchini helps to control blood pressure and the immunological system, while the dietary fiber supports a healthy gut and benefits in weight control by encouraging satiety. The high water content of this food aids in digestion and contributes to hydration. Incorporating zucchini into your meals offers a pleasant way to consume critical nutrients while following to a low-carb and low-sugar diet. Zucchini is a low-calorie vegetable that may help counteract oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. So there you have it, 8 of the healthiest foods, all of which are sugar and carbohydrate-free. These foods are wonderful on their own or combined to make delectable meals and snacks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and nutrition tips as we conclude this exploration of the healthiest foods. Thank you for watching and see you next time.